In a world addicted to hustle and noise, rest has become radical. For those walking the divine feminine path, embracing rest is not laziness, it's revolutionary. Rest is sacred. It's not something we earn after depletion, it's a birthright. It's where the soul returns to itself, where clarity is born, and where healing takes root. It's the temple of the divine feminine in motionless form. Let's explore how sacred rest not only replenishes the body, but reawakens the soul. Divine feminine energy is receptive, nurturing and fluid. It thrives in stillness. In deep rest, we realign with that feminine essence, the part of us that listens, that dreams, that intuitively knows. In our rest, we remember who we are beyond productivity, beyond roles, beyond pressure. True rest is active. It's a space where the nervous system resets and the imagination reboots. Great insights often arise after the pause. This is why so many divine feminine teachings involve quiet practices, moon rituals, womb meditations, slow breath work. These aren't idle moments, they are creation incubators. So many of us have been conditioned to tie worth to output. To effectively deserve rest, we think we must prove something. But the truth is, you don't need to be exhausted to earn stillness. Your beingness alone is worthy of renewal, period. Releasing this conditioning is a form of healing ancestral feminine wounds. You reclaim yourself when you say, I choose to rest because I honor my divine energy. Sacred rest also teaches us boundaries. When you prioritize rest, you affirm that your energy is sacred and that you will not deplete it for what no longer benefits you. This boundary with others and with your own inner critic is deeply feminine and deeply powerful. Here are a few practices to integrate sacred rest into your life. Introduce a digital sunset. Turn off screens an hour before sleep. Light a candle and reflect in silence. Or set a daily alarm for a midday pause. Step away from tasks. Sip a herbal tea slowly and reconnect. Or align rest with the moon cycle, particularly the new moon, and reflect inward. When rested, you are more intuitive, more grounded, and more magnetic. You radiate calm, presence, and wisdom. Your creativity flows. Your body heals. Your emotions soften. Affirm with me, rest nourishes my soul and magnifies my light. Rest nourishes my soul and magnifies my light. Rest nourishes my soul and magnifies my light. Rest doesn't delay your goals, it aligns you with divine timing. Affirm once more, rest nourishes my soul and magnifies my light. Thank you for sharing your presence with me today. Visit the Divine Feminine playlist for more guidance on connecting with your feminine sacred self.